It is pit waxing. They're not too bad. I try to do it every 2 weeks. I don't know if it helps or does anything. I just see people do it, so I do it. I have my wax heated up to 160, 170. That's usually the best temp, where it's not burning the shit out of me. Oh, that's perfect. That's a perfect temp. It's a nice little spread, yeah. Nose is already running because I'm nervous. We got this. I'm gonna go ahead and do the whole shebang. Getting up in this crease is usually my biggest hater. So this is a waxer I use, and I purchased it off of Amazon. Right here, that's the brand name, and this is the full body one because I like to use it for underarms, and I do the inner thigh. I don't do my bikini. I haven't worked up to that skill just yet. We breathe in. Oh, that was not. Still too soft. Damn it. Oh, but it's a pretty decent pull so far. But that did not have been hard enough. Dang. Try it one more time. Breathe in. And god damn, it left all that. Look at all that. It wasn't hot enough. I should have made it hotter, but that's what it's looking like. It's a first pull. It's not a bad first pull, but usually I do a lot better in picking up these hairs right here. Let's try it again, Heat it up to 180 this time. Usually the 170 isn't bad, but I think I just need it a little bit hotter. Okay, yeah, that's a little bit hotter. Oh, my arm's getting tired. But yeah, I've been waxing for about 4 months now. It's been a few months now. I've done it at least 4 or 5 sessions now of my own waxing. I have good sessions and bad sessions. Hold on, let me concentrate. God, dog, it is not pulling down. Like, the pull is still very stringy. See how it kind of, it's not very hard, but we got that middle section. Oh man, oh, those hairs are really fine. I see why. But we got the bulbs on there. I love looking at the little bulbs at the end. I don't know, that's so fascinating. Oh, yes. Oh my gosh, it did really good. Okay, I'm gonna do right down here one more time. Now that we got it at the temp that we need, because I got a lot of fine hairs at the bottom. I've been doing this for a few sessions now, and I've tried 3 different wax beads. When I bought my wax kit, it came with some beads by Trust Wellness. Now I love the warmer. The warmer is nice. It came with the spray and the wooden sticks and everything, and I have it tagged on my Amazon from where I purchased it, but the beads that came with it just was like, I don't know what it was. They just did not work for me. So I ended up trying out this brand, and I've tried 2 different types from this brand. The first brand I had was for fine hair. All right, it got them. Awesome. That was only a few little hairs, so it won't really much on that one, but they have it like organized for you if you have thicker hair, coarser hair, you know, all of that. Different types of hair types is on there for you to, you know, kind of gauge what you need. But it's going to be a trial and error for you. It really is. It's going to, especially as a first time home waxer, it's going to be trial and error. You're going to try waxes that you absolutely hate, and you're gonna have some that do better for you than others. It just takes, you know, really you testing it out, and that's how I found what works for me. So I try, especially for my underarm. This one is a full body formula. This is actually my first time using it. The last one I was using was the one that was for fine and thin hair. This one has more of a creamier texture to it, and I'm gonna show you what it looks like. But yeah, it's a very white, like glue-like consistency. On to the next one now. It really is trial and error. It really is. But I really like this brand. So far, I haven't had anything from them that I did not like. You just have to know your hair type and where you're waxing. I feel like underarm is like the easiest. But underarms don't hurt for me. Like, I have a little slight sting, especially on that first initial pull. But it is nowhere as devastating as I be seeing some people react to. I feel like if you're getting Brazilians and bikini waxes, you could definitely do your underarms. If you're doing legs, you're a different breed, because leg waxing is no freaking joke. I have not even built up the tolerance for that one. It just feels like somebody is beating my ass when I get my legs wet. Like, it just feels like whips across your legs. I don't know how people do those, because I just, girl, no. And I heard that soft wax is you know, best for your legs, and I'm just not willing to work with soft wax. I don't mind the hard wax, and then it's hard to spread with my left hand. So I know this spread looks so janky, but you gotta do what you gotta do. We gonna get it on there and we gonna pull it off regardless. Okay? And it wasn't enough, so I'm gonna put a little bit more so I can get this top half up here. And I'm doing a poor job at it. Oh God, it's hard, okay. So yeah, if you're a professional, please stay about my comments, okay? If I wanted professional help, I would go see my professional who does my Brazilian, all right? I'm okay with effing myself up. This is my armpit, okay? Just calm down. I had a whole bunch of people in my last waxing video like, girl, just go see a professional. Babe, in this economy, it's some things you gotta learn how to do it yourself. And underarm waxing will be one of them, because I hate shaving my underarms. I find it extremely tedious. I'll shave my legs all day, but don't ask me to shave my underarms. I don't know why. I draw the line there. I'll shave my face. I'm not shaving my underarm. It just, I don't know what it is. But oh, look at that other. That armpit is beautiful. So yeah, I would say out of all, because I've waxed my legs, I've waxed on my underarm, and I've done a Brazilian. I haven't done anything on my face. I don't have facial hair, so I couldn't gauge on what the pain level is. But out of my underarms, my legs, and my Brazilian, legs is number one, the worst one. I cannot take that pain. 2 would definitely be the Brazilian. And the funny part is, it's not the lips that bother me. It's actually my bikini line, like right where your panty line starts, like that area right on top bothers the fire out of me. All right, breathe. Oh, damn it. Trying to grip it. All right. That one. And it's because it's wax, it's just not hard enough. I don't know if it's because my body temp. But ooh, that looks good so far. I'm gonna give it a few more minutes to harden a little bit more. I feel like I'm giving it enough time. This one's just taking forever to harden. What do they recommend? How long should I be waiting? But the trick is to inhale and pull it on the exhale. Don't pull it on the inhale, because that's when you clench. You want to do it on the exhale when you're relaxing the body, so you don't. That's what my waxer told me, so I practice it at home as well. But look at that pull. Nice and pretty, and look at all the little bobby hairs. Hairier. It was hairier than my other armpit. Well, I didn't have a great pull on the other one, that's probably why. But yeah, look at the comparison. We did really good. And for this to be my sloppy layer, like for me to lay it down so sloppy and it had the better pull. So it ain't always about how you lay it, y'all. Sometimes you just gotta slap that sucker up on there. All right, we're gonna do one more to clean it up because my crease, again, I always have some left over in that crease. Ooh, that was a little warm. I think I'm about to turn it down now. And I don't never leave a lip. That's my problem. I'm about to pull from this side. Yep, that is it. Cleaning up all the extra wax. And we are good for another 2 weeks. Because I try to do every 2 weeks for my underarms. I feel like that's where it's not too much, where I'm experiencing a lot of pain. But it's also enough for the wax to hold and catch it. But yeah, we're all done. Thank y'all for joining me on my bi-weekly maintenance. I'll see y'all on the next bi-weekly one if you're still around. Be blessed and be safe, y'all.